welcome back to another video of Anjewel and Madison. My name is Angel.
And my name is Madison.
We are sisters, and today we are going to Animal Kingdom. This is part 2 of our Disney World vlog, and we can't wait to bring you guys along with us again. So before this video starts, go ahead and comment down below what rides you think will go on. And without further ado, let's get started.
Anjewel and Madison, Anjewel and Madison, please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. Okay. Anjewel and Madison, Anjewel and Madison, please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. We work hard.
I see paradise.
Hey guys, right now we're at Hollywood Studios.
We're going to the Tower of Terror, a haunted elevator.
Let's go.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest secrets in the tower.
Mommy, I'm scared. Mommy?
Now we're gonna go on a Toy Story ride.
Mom. So guys, we just did a Toy Story game. We couldn't exactly film it because we were playing so hard. I got 83,800.
I got 51,300.
Maddie, did you have fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was very fun. Hey, Doc McStuffins. You're my idol. You're my idol. I love you.
Until something terrible happened, Elsa created a monstrous snowman.
So deep in love. When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
Right now we're on the Buzz Lightyear ride.
into her eyes. I see paradise.
Right now we're on a train to see baby goats and baby pigs.
When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
Don't worry for the rest of your days.
We feel that love, so deep in love. When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
Bye guys!
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please
Like, subscribe, comment if you can.
share this video and turn on your post notifications. So each time when we post a new video, you will be the first person to see it. And please comment down below what you thought of the video and what other videos you'd like to see. And yeah, peace out, y'all.
Bye! Two sisters making memories. Our videos are treasury. Living the luxury. Building popularity.